How are you using your website? You have emails that go out. You might have LinkedIn posts or other social media stuff. You have YouTube videos. You have paid ads. But yet, your website doesn't get as much use as you feel like it should. And a common problem I see is that there aren't calls to action within each of these segments that link back to the one hub that you own and you control. Obviously, ads, they do link back to your site. But the question here is, it's not just about taking these things and applying a call to action of, here, go to our website to check us out. Where are you linking them to? So it's not just about going to the homepage. It's about that single blog post that has a very specific issue that you're talking about in one of these other channels. It's about the landing page that's created that talks about a very specific problem. It's about the lead magnet that you have to start collecting people's email addresses so that you can provide them very unique and specific value. But in order for all of these links down here at the top to then work, each of these segments, wherever they're landing on, need to have an action of their own. And without that, you're sending them to pages that aren't going to help them. They're not going to have a way to interact with what you do. So actions up here at the top lead back to the website. And then lastly, the direct call to action to get into your ecosystem.